Alright, I never thought I would do one of these videos. As a lover of mechanical watches, I love the branding, I love the storytelling, I love the craftsmanship and the art that goes into mechanical watches, which is why I have an Omega Seamaster on my wrist, which I got for my graduation. But yes, here we are. As a lover of also fitness and tech, I've recently been using the free Nike training app on my iPad, and I wanted to track that. I wanted to track my process and keep myself a little bit more accountable. And so the best way I thought I'd do that is to get myself an Apple Watch. Nike edition, of course, because we're using the Nike app. And so this is the Apple Watch SE. I didn't really think I needed to go 6 because I don't care about the blood oxygen level tracking thing. See, the fact that I don't even know it tells you that I shouldn't have bought it. And I did, which is why I got the SE. Anyways, guys, let's get into the unboxing. And yeah, really excited for this. So here it is, the Apple Watch Nike edition. You can see the swoosh there. Apple Watch, still within its plastic. I just literally got this today from the post, and let's get it opened. Love opening new products. So there it is, just a nice bit of cardboard. You can see the outline of the watch is in there. So let's open these sides here. Alrighty, so there's our band there. I'll open that a little bit later. Let's get straight into the watch itself. Ooh, there it is, 40 millimeters. Open that. Whoa, did not expect that to be that material. Don't know what I expected it to be, but there it is. All right. We've also got some, I imagine, paperwork in here. Yep, that's cool. Because, you know, we all read our paperwork. Throw that to the side. What else have we got in here? We've got the charging. Yes. Awesome. Yep. Cool. That's where you put your Apple Watch on to charge. That's pretty cool, pretty neat. I'm surprised. I thought this would be USB-C, but that's all right. You know, we're just gonna need some dongles. So that's cool. That's the box. Let's move that all to the side. Charging, move it over there. And here's the strap itself. Okay, so we've got opening the box. All right, opening this here. Oh, I actually thought I got the white strap, but I guess I got the gray one. It's gray and black. Here we've also got grey and black. Not a huge fan, but that's all right. We're gonna get some aftermarket straps, and not from Apple because slight little bit of a rip-off. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so sliding these straps in seems pretty easy and straightforward. Got these lug holes, and then you just slide them in accordingly. Cool. Alrighty. Hope I'll get some charge into this, and we'll fire it up. So yes, guys, that was my quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Nike edition. Now, I'm pretty sure I've got these bands on the wrong way. I'll figure it out right after this video. I'm pretty keen to fire this up and have it connected to my iPhone and see how that all works. But yeah, it feels very light. The rubber feels really nice on these Nike bands, so I'm keen to get a different color because this gray on black really isn't cutting it. But apart from that, guys, I hope to see you guys next time. Catch you later. Cheers.